So this is the day 7 after I tried all cleansing method for my hair, and I have not washed my hair since then. My hair feels so better, and this is my hair when I didn't do the all cleansing method. It was, I think, my third or fourth day hair, and now my hair and scalp, they feel less oily and more manageable. Previously my scalp used to feel so oily even after like 2 days of washing my hair. The oil cleansing method worked really well for me, so I thought of trying out cleansing balms for my hair because these things are more nourishing and they contain butters and all, so I think my hair would feel softer with these things. I'm using Enrituals cleansing balm simply because I do not like this much for my skin. I wanted to use Plum cleansing balm, but I like it so much, so I just didn't want to take chance, with my hair. Like, what if it doesn't work and I waste that cleansing balm? So yeah, I'm massaging this all over my hair and scalp. Before massaging, I made sure I was melting it well. It was a bit difficult to distribute due to its thick texture, but cleansing oil, it was very easy to apply. I also thought cleansing balms would be a very good idea because I noticed when I used thick hair butters or hair mask, it was very difficult to remove. But cleansing balms, they have emulsifiers, so it's gonna come off easily. Also, it would work as a first cleanser for hair and scalp by cleansing gently. I'm massaging it really well. I think I massaged it for almost 20 minutes or 30 minutes, and now I'm gonna wash it off. So even before like washing my hair, I decided to massage my hair and scalp again because I wanted to make sure that it is being distributed properly and melting well. I usually don't use hair butters or mask for my scalp, but for this I'm applying this on my scalp because this has emulsifiers, so I think it's gonna like help to control my excessive oil production that I get from my scalp. And then I'm using shampoo. So I have noticed with oil cleanser, the shampoo didn't cause much foam, but with this cleansing balm, it is creating a very good amount of foam. And I have used the same shampoo, Recoil hair fall control shampoo, leaving no rooms for doubt. And then I'm washing it off, and now my hair feels okay. But frankly, my hair felt better when I used oil cleanser. After rinsing it, it feels softer, but I'm hopeful for the results that I'm gonna get after drying it. So for now, I'm gonna do my skincare. I'm using this cleansing balm for my face, then I'm gonna follow up with a second cleanser. And yeah, after I dry my hair, I'm gonna show you how it works. So yeah, see you soon. So this is how my hair looks like. Frankly, I got better results with oil cleanser. You might ask me why I didn't use conditioner or hair mask, because when I used oil cleanser, I skipped hair mask to make sure that my hair was not becoming dry after using oil cleanser, because if I use hair mask, I would not know if my hair was getting dry, because hair mask would take care of it. So I did the same for this method. It looks good, it looks shiny, and it doesn't have any tangles, smooth and all. But with oil cleansing, my hair looked better, felt better, and I got less hair fall. So this is the thing. I think cleansing balms are great. Maybe I'll try some other cleansing balm, maybe that would work better for my hair. But for now, I can tell you, oil cleanser worked better for my hair. So yeah, I hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you for watching. Bye bye, see you very soon, take care.